Good morning. Happy Labor Day to you. It's Monday, September 5th. Obviously, Labor Day. We have a full baseball schedule, a lot of afternoon games, only two night games, Cleveland and the Dodgers, a couple late afternoon games in the Chicago, Seattle, Colorado, San Diego area. Well, if you're in the West Coast, that's not really late afternoon. But on the East Coast, that's a late afternoon start time. We have no threat for rain causing any postponements or delays today. Much like yesterday, weather is quiet in terms of precipitation across the country. Now that there's no threat for Tropical Storm Hermine, then the East Coast is fine as well. In terms of parks that favor hitters, really nice hitting environment again in Colorado yesterday. Now, yesterday was about as, I mean, today in Colorado, yesterday was about as good as it could get. It led to 13 runs. That's a little bit of a disappointment. I think I only saw one home run hit in the game. Not quite as high as I expected. Also, the other game that was really surprising for me is we talked about how the Red Sox had scored double-digit runs both Friday and Saturday night. Now being a day game yesterday, that they may be able to score some more runs. Well, they got shut out. It just goes to show you that baseball is a very unpredictable sport. And uh, what I try to give with weather conditions and how it affects or impacts hitters, it's like a loaded die, I always say. The odds are in my favor that when the wind's blowing out, it's warm, it's humid, the ball is going to carry. Now, you still have to hit the ball well for a pitch for a batter for it to be a home run. Um, and just because it's a good pitching environment, say in Tampa Bay or Seattle, the pitcher still has to have some good stuff, or he could get shelled. I'm just saying, basically, with the loaded die analogy or comparison, is that it's in your favor when it's good hitting environments for a lot of runs. Doesn't mean it happens all the time. I sometimes get complaints via Twitter like, oh, you said there was going to be a lot of runs scored. No, I said the conditions favor a lot of runs. I don't necessarily say that there's going to be a lot of runs. It's just that conditions are favorable. So again, today, conditions very favorable for a lot of runs in Colorado. The wind is blowing out again, and it's still really warm. Also, a couple of places I like for hitters. Yankees, Cincinnati, and Cleveland. Those are marginal, though. Nothing really stands out about those. The three places for favoring pitchers do stand out pretty strongly in favor of pitchers both in Seattle, in Tampa Bay, and in Miami. The roof will likely be open in Seattle, even though the temperatures are really cool, while we obviously know the roof is closed in Tampa Bay and will likely be closed in Miami. Well, that's about what I for all. Wow, I speak English here. That's all I have for you. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.